Before we start, guys, please make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending, guys, thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. That will be super helpful video, guys, to any of you having a problem where you have front left or front right airbag malfunction on Mercedes C Class generation W204. Guys, please do not waste your money on time for diagnostics, parts, tools until you watch that video, because it could be simple fix. It could be something quite simple. We'll explain what we see quite often in the garage, how we fix it. If you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below for your convenience. You can see where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. But guys, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Do not attempt anything we do, because you have to be qualified and certified to work on airbag system. Otherwise it can result into injuries, even death, guys. So this video is for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. Let's start on it now. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We make mechanical repair videos, engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical, engine, transmission codes, fuses. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the garage is, guys, to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. Guys, multiple things can cause that, but what you first need to check is two important fuses. One of them is for the airbag SRS module system, the other one is for the occupant sensor. Now, each one of those can trigger a malfunction, but then we'll explain what else you need to check if everything checks out fine. Now, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Again, guys, this Mercedes has hidden fuse boxes that 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Fuse Box Location and Diagram on Mercedes W204. Check it out, it can save you a lot of money, guys. You see here now we have that fuse box right on the driver's side. Go ahead, open the cover, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. That way you do not spend money on diagnostics, parts, repairs you may actually not even need. So guys, you have different kinds of fuses and relays. We're talking about the maxi fuses, standard fuses right here. You have, watch how many different kinds of relays as well. Now, these fuses, sometimes you can clearly see if a fuse is burnt or not by looking at the element. But sometimes it's really sneaky. They can burn here on the side. It's hard to see. Some fuses will not be visible as well. And we had people that will spend thousands of dollars in repairs, replacing modules, even engine computers, when all they had to do, they assumed they had a good fuse. They pulled it out, they saw it, and they assumed it was good. But guys, you can easily test these fuses, and on some of these, most of them, they have even the terminals on top that allows you to check them with a voltmeter and find out if it's good or bad. You see, that's a good fuse. If it's blown, okay, like this one here, it's blown, nothing. Check this thing out, no connection. One next to it, okay, right here, let me get good contact point. That's a good fuse, guys. You can see you can test them. Now, relays are harder to test, but with the voltmeter, fuses are super easy to test. All we have to do is set it on that setting and practically your home resistance setting, and you can find, guys, okay, if it works or not. For instance, that one was the good fuse. You can see it's going to go down to 0 ohms resistance, or you can go ahead, remove it and test it the same way, guys. It should have 0 ohm resistance. Now, relays, guys, are a little bit more complicated, but it's doable. It will take you a minute or two to find out how to do that. Now, we'll put, guys, links to a video that will explain how to test relays, how to test fuses, which battery terminal you need to reconnect and disconnect first if you're doing repairs, because that can cause modules to burn as well, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair. Check out the videos, they will be in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. Guys, here we need to check two fuses. The fuse numbers will be listed next to the fuses either on the left or the right side. And the first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 8. You see that fuse right here? This is super important fuse, guys. Next we need to check one more fuse, and that's specifically fuse number 15. You see this 7.5 amp fuse right here? That's the one that we need to check as well. Now, if those fuses check out fine, let me show you what else you need to check, guys. 1 second, let me come first to the passenger side. Now, it could be front left or front right. Okay, we're going to talk respectively. The things that we see quite often, if it's for the front right, is actually, guys, having a bad occupancy sensor. So if you want to see how to test occupancy sensor on a car, we'll have the video on the channel that will teach you how to do that. Next, you see right here, check your wiring harness, but make sure the car battery is disconnected when you work on them for at least 1 hour, because it's part of the airbag system. Again, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Check the wires. Sometimes people will kick them. They will stuff things under the seat. They will spill things here. All that can cause, guys, those malfunctions. Also, if you had a person from behind stuffing things, kicking things under the seat, which drives me nuts, by the way, often there is cables that you can kick and cause that as well. Another thing, okay, when you often get those warnings, could be seat belt or the seat belt pretensioner, guys. Okay, now the only way to find out exactly what's wrong with it is get a scanner, scan the system, give you the code, and it will point you in the exact location of that thing. But check this thing out now. You see that okay, that format, watch how it's on the wires. Often that can cause problem. That's why you need to make sure that, okay, the format, okay, doesn't lay on the wires, because that can destroy, okay, the airbag connectors as well. But those are, guys, some of the most common things that we see usually here at the garage causing that malfunction. In this Mercedes W204, you're going to have all kinds of different fuses and relays that sometimes are hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding one, guys. Replacement one, you may be stuck. It happened to us. So what we usually do, we buy some spare ones and we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share a link where you can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. That link will be in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.